Hello gardening friend, it is spring and it's time to get some potatoes in the ground. It's always a fun project because you can throw a potato in the ground and you have no idea if it's going to make a whole bunch of potatoes or what it's going to do. So let me turn the camera around, I'll show you what potatoes I'm planting and I'll show you how I plant them. Alright, let's go. So I got some seed potatoes at the store. Got a 4-pound bag of Kennebec. That's the kind of potatoes that McDonald's actually uses for their French fries. They get pretty big. And then I had some russet in my closet that were dried up and they look exactly like seed potatoes. So here's what I did. I dug a trench about 6 inches deep. So we're gonna put the potatoes in there, which I've already done. And we're gonna put them about a foot, foot and a half apart. The farther you put them apart, the more chance you have to get more potatoes. So I got a little bit there, and then went over here a little bit farther, put some. There's some potatoes coming up there that I left in from last year, and then I put some holes over that way too. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some fertilizer right on top of the potatoes. And I got this at Southern States. It's just regular 10-10-10. Potatoes do require some fertilizer, not necessarily fertilizer, but they are heavy feeders, so it's not a bad idea to throw some fertilizer right on top of the potato. Right, let's go farther down. Give those guys a little bit too. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to hill these potatoes up as they grow to keep the potatoes from coming up to the top of the ground. Because if they come up to the top of the ground, they're going to catch some sun. That's going to make them turn green, and it makes toxins get in there that are not good for you. In fact, they're very bad for you, so you don't want to eat green potatoes. So keep them covered with dirt or mulch so that the sun doesn't get on them and they won't turn green and be bad. So next I'm going to go up to the rabbit pen and I'm going to get some litter from the rabbit so that I have lots of good poop in there, and also wood chips and straw and stuff. So let's go get that. Hello ladies, can I borrow some of that bedding? You made me some very nice bedding with all that poop in there. I love it. Let's grab some, okay girls? Guess I could use my wheelbarrow for this, but I didn't. Okay, let's go throw that down in the garden, top of the potatoes. Okay, so I'm going to cover these about an inch or so with this rabbit bedding. Should be good stuff to help them get a good start. Then I'm going to put a little bit of dirt over them too. And then eventually, as they grow, we're going to hill it up probably till it's like 4 or 8 inches up from the soil. The reason you want to hill it up, or one of the reasons, is because the potatoes will grow out from the stems a little bit. Not the whole way up, but a little bit they will. Let me get my hoe, put a little dirt over them. We're supposed to be getting some rain tonight, so that'll be wonderful. Get these things going. Give them a little kickstart. So you can see there's some down here that have come up already. Those were there. I left some seed, or I left some potatoes in the ground from last year. So yeah, when these come up, we'll go ahead and pile some more dirt around them. Dirt or mulch or rabbit bedding, whatever we have available. The goal of my channel is to give you information you need to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you get notified, and you'll be able to come back and see how these potatoes grow and also see how my other projects come along in the garden. All right, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. See you again real soon.